Have you ever felt like your anxiety is running the show? You're not alone. But what if I told you a centuries-old practice might hold a surprising key to relief? Meet Sarah, a 32-year-old graphic designer, juggling work deadlines, a noisy apartment, and a brain that just won't stop buzzing. Her mornings started with racing thoughts, and nights ended with clenched jaws and 3 a.m. Google spirals. She tried everything: therapy, meditation apps, even cutting caffeine. Nothing stuck. Then her doctor, yes, her medical doctor, suggested acupuncture. Acupuncture? Tiny needles to treat anxiety? Sarah was skeptical, but desperate, so she gave it a shot. Well, everything changed. After just 3 sessions, Sarah noticed something strange. She wasn't snapping at her coworkers. She wasn't waking up in a cold sweat. She actually laughed for the first time in months. Could it be a placebo? Maybe, but the science says otherwise. Multiple studies now show that acupuncture can help regulate the nervous system, reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and increasing serotonin, our feel-good chemical. One 2017 meta-analysis found that acupuncture significantly reduced symptoms in patients with generalized anxiety disorder. Here's how it works. Acupuncture stimulates specific points on the body, triggering a cascade of neurochemical responses. Think of it like rebooting your inner software. But it's more than just needles. It's about restoring balance, something traditional Chinese medicine has emphasized for thousands of years. And before you worry, no, it doesn't hurt. Most patients describe it as a mild tingling or even a warm sensation. So why haven't more people tried it? Well, myths. Some think it's mystical nonsense. Others fear it's unsafe. But when done by a licensed practitioner, acupuncture is incredibly safe. In fact, the World Health Organization recognizes it as a valid treatment for over 100 conditions, including anxiety. Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands are turning to acupuncture, not as a last resort, but as a first step. Curious if it could help you too? Ask your doctor. Find a certified acupuncturist. Give it a try, because sometimes the oldest remedies offer the most modern hope. If you found this story inspiring, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more real stories and evidence-backed insights into traditional and complementary medicine.